1964 D USA 1 cent coin, Lincoln Memorial penny, Intero, the 1964 D penny, a tiny coin with massive value. What if I told you that a simple 1964 D penny could be worth thousands, or even $1 million? Sounds unbelievable, right? But the truth is, certain 1964 D 1 cent coins are hiding in plain sight with rare errors, stunning condition, or unknown varieties that collectors are paying huge money for. In today's video, we're uncovering everything about the 1964 D Lincoln penny, from its deep historical roots and design meaning to its value, rarity, and recent auction prices. And yes, we'll talk about how one might still be sitting in your change jar. Historical background. America in 1964 D. 1964 D was a year of transition and tension in the United States. It was the first full year after President John F. Kennedy's assassination, with Lyndon B. Johnson pushing forward the Great Society reforms. The Civil Rights Act was signed into law, marking a historic step toward equality. Meanwhile, the Vietnam War was escalating. In the world of coinage, the U.S. Mint was under pressure due to rising demand for coins. As Americans spent more, coins were circulating quickly, and the Mint had to strike billions of them, especially cents. Design and symbols. What does the 1964 D penny represent? The 1964 D penny is part of the Lincoln Memorial Cent series, which replaced the wheat reverse in 1959 to mark Lincoln's 150th birthday, obverse. Front designed by Victor David Brenner, this side features Abraham Lincoln's bust, facing right. Surrounding him are "In God We Trust," Liberty, on the left, the date, 1964, on the right. If it was minted in Denver, a small D mint mark appears below the date, reverse, back designed by Frank Gasparo. This side showcases the Lincoln Memorial, with the tiny seated Lincoln visible between the columns. You'll also see United States of America, around the top the motto, E pluribus unum, 1 cent, at the bottom the Lincoln Memorial design symbolized the enduring legacy of freedom, unity, and civil rights, especially important during a year like 1964. D mintage process. How the 1964 D penny was made. The 1964 D cent was struck from the traditional 95% copper, 5% tin and zinc alloy used since the early 20th century. The U.S. Mint was operating at full speed that year. In fact, due to rising coin demand, the Mint even postponed changing the date to 1965 in some coin types to continue meeting the production need. Key stats: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark over 2.65 billion coins. Denver Mint, D mint mark over 3.8 billion coins. Together, more than 6.4 billion 1964 D pennies were minted, making it one of the most common years for Lincoln cents. But don't let that fool you, some of these coins are extremely valuable due to condition and minting errors. Rarity and varieties. What makes a 1964 D penny valuable? While most 1964 pennies are common, certain rare varieties and errors are sought after by collectors. Double die obverse, DDO, a rare error where the lettering, date, or even Lincoln's face shows signs of doubling. These can sell for hundreds or more depending on grade. Repunched mint mark, RPM. Especially on Denver coins, you may find the D mint mark struck twice, slightly misaligned. RPM varieties are collectible and increase the value significantly. Off-center strikes, these errors occur when the coin isn't centered during striking. Values increase with higher percentages of off-center, especially if the date is fully visible. BAE errors, a die break between the B and E in Liberty forms what looks like the word BIE. These small breaks are fun to collect and add a premium. Struck on wrong planchet. In 1964 penny mistakenly struck on a silver dime or foreign coin planchet would be an incredibly rare and valuable error, potentially worth tens of thousands of dollars. Value. How much is a 1964 D penny really worth? Let's break down what a 1964 penny is worth in today's market. Circulated condition. Most common 1964 pennies are worth 1 to 3 cents due to their copper content. Uncirculated condition, mint state. MS60, MS64, around $2.50 to $2,000. MS65 red, $1.50 to $1,500. MS66 red, $250 to $5,000. MS67 red, $200 to $7,000. The red designation is key. Coins with original copper luster that haven't toned over time bring the highest prices. Error coins and varieties, RPMs and DDOs, $50 to $3,000 plus off-center strikes, $100 to $5,000, depending on severity. Wrong planchet errors can exceed $10,000 to $25,000. Die caps or multiple strikes, often $5,000 or more. Recent auctions, record-breaking sales. Let's take a look at what some top examples have sold for recently. In 1964, D. Lincoln Cent in MS67 Plus Red, one of the finest known, sold $4.6000. A rare DDO 1964 cent in uncirculated condition brought in over $2.000. A dramatic off-center 1964 penny with visible date sold $4.1250. A coin mistakenly struck on a silver dime planchet fetched $13,500 at auction. These sales show the enormous interest, and big money, behind this small coin. Worth millions in circulation. Could a 1964 D penny really be worth millions? Here's when it's possible. Discovery of a unique error. If a brand new error is discovered, like a 1964 penny mule struck with a dime reverse, it could make headlines and become $1 million coin. Top population coin, the only known MS68 Plus Red 1964 penny certified by PCGS or NGC, could spark a fierce bidding war, potentially reaching six figures or more. Wrong planchet from silver or gold. While unlikely, any 1964 cent struck on a precious metal would be instantly historic, and insanely valuable. So while the chance is rare, the possibility is real. That's why checking your change and old coin jars could be worth it. Conclusion: don't overlook this common sin. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the 1964 D 1 cent coin. A common coin on the surface, but filled with history, symbolism, and the potential for rare discoveries that could change your life. Be sure to check for pristine condition, mint errors, and unusual features. You never know, the next valuable 1964 penny could be sitting right in your pocket. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coin secrets, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Got a 1964 D penny or an amazing coin story? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes even the smallest coins hold the biggest value.